What's up guys, they watched another video. Today is a 350Z giveaway guys. It's finally happening today. I'm gonna go live on Instagram later today and announce the winner, pick the winner and announce the winner. But I'm also filming a little behind the scenes so you guys can get to see behind the scenes of the giveaway. And I'm trying to be as transparent and legit as possible guys. So I don't get any backlash at the end, because I've seen a lot of people do giveaways guys and they get a lot of backlash at the end, because I don't want to be one to say it, but like there's a lot of people out there rigging stuff, you know? So I don't want to do that. I want it to be as fair as possible. You guys don't know the amount of people that have hit me up saying to rig it to them if they pay me more money, and I denied everything guys, because I will not do that to you guys. I want this to be as fair as possible. I was up till 5:30 in the morning. I'll play the clip right here. Up at 4 in the morning trying to input all you guys' names for the giveaway. I was trying to print out all these names for you guys. I don't know how to do this without showing people's numbers and Instagrams, but yeah, I printed everybody's order out. So these are all the people who placed an order on the website. All of these are the ones that ordered multiple. As you guys can see, name after name after name after name, bro. 300 names in here. Some people ordered too, so this is what I did guys. I'm trying to be as transparent as possible so you guys can see what I'm doing. I was gonna put all these names into a random generator. There's like websites that do it for you, but I don't want people saying that like the website's rigged or something like that. So we're gonna just keep it OG and the old school giveaway ways guys. We're gonna just cut out every single name here and put every name into one of my hats that I wear in the vlog all the time. Put all the names in here and I'm literally gonna just choose one lucky winner like that. Like I said, I just want this to be as legit as possible guys, especially because I'm just so thankful for you guys' love and support on all my stuff lately. I know you're trying to win a Z, but you're also just supporting me, so I appreciate that so freaking much. I love you guys so much. I told you guys in my last video, I'm sad that I can't give away 300 freaking 350Zs to you guys, because you guys mean so much to me, bro. You guys do so much for me, and I wish I could just give back to every single person. I'm trying to think of a way to like give back to you guys the best I can. I was thinking of like a free merch, like a free t-shirt, make a bunch of t-shirts and give them up for free on my website. Like, I was just trying to think of ways I can do stuff for free for you guys, because I want to give back to you guys. I don't know guys, I just feel super bad that only one person gets to win the car out of these 300, but I guess that's just the game that we're playing right now. I cannot wait to see who wins. Like I said, this is my first giveaway, and if everything goes well, which it is going well right now, maybe I'll do more giveaways in the future. So don't worry, if you guys don't win this time, I'm probably gonna do more giveaways in the future. Maybe give away some wheels or car parts, shoes maybe, I don't know, a dirt bike, maybe my dirt bike downstairs I was thinking of giving away. And like I said, I just want to give back to you guys for all the love and support you guys always show me. But yeah, I'm about to cut all these names out guys. I'm sorry for talking so much. Like I said, I'm just trying to be as transparent as possible. I'm gonna cut every single name out and order number, and I'm gonna put them in a hat. It doesn't double him or her name twice, so I had to separate it and add her or him another time. There's two of his names. I went one by one on the people who ordered multiple and added their name another time on here, so that when I cut these out, these names will be cut out as well. Look at this guys, these are all the names.
What's that in there?
It's gonna take forever. There you go guys, everyone's name is cut and in the hat, dude. This is gonna be crazy. 300 of you guys are in here, bro, so let's see who wins. Oh my god, look at Hugo's thing.
That's what I was telling you.
No way the headlight just came off. We're gonna get it fixed tomorrow. Anyways, it's finally time. It is finally time to announce the winner of the Z.
Hold on, you gotta repeat that all over again, because you're not sounding no type of excitement at all. You just said, hello guys. So
I'm sad, I'm getting rid of my car.
No, be hype! Guys.
Okay, so I was gonna do it in the hat, but Hugo said I should do it like this. Might be better on. I think it'll be easier.
Yeah, and then it doesn't...
Oh, whose name is flying? Pick him up. Pick him up. Well, this shit getting stuck to the hat. Yeah, this is better than
Christian. Avalos.
Who's gonna win? I do not know. This is gonna be crazy.
I might see so many names in here.
You guys don't $1,000? I'll pick your name.
Is that your $1,000? Like I said, I feel bad that I can't give the card to everybody, dude. I really feel bad. But one of these people is gonna win the 350Z. Alright, we're switching boxes one more time, guys, because that box is not it. Bro, I'm so nervous, dude. 700 people in here, guys. Look, revlogging. These are all the orders. The way I did it was I literally put, you can see right here, there's an order number and a name. I'm scared, dude. Who's gonna win? I'm not gonna pick it yet. I'm just hyping it up. We're getting more people in here. What's up to Z so you guys can see what you're about to win?
I'm getting nervous, bro. Why am I getting nervous? I'm not even giving away the car.
Bro, I'm super nervous. This is my first giveaway I've ever done, guys. mixed up, dude. I've been mixing them for like so long.
All right. So there you go, guys.
Look.
Oh!
I feel bad.
Oh!
I wish I had 300 350Zs to give away.
This
but
is crazy.
I don't, dude. I'm gonna do more giveaways after this one.
Nick, don't lie.
No,
Give it-
no, you have to look away.
Don't do
But
that.
show them that I'm mixing it. Look, I'll do it like this. Look, show them like this. Show them that I'm mixing it.
Okay.
You go show them. Cause I don't want them to think
It's
that I'm
mixed,
messing
guys.
with it.
It's
Look,
for
I'm
sure.
literally mixing all these shit.
100% mixed.
Tell me when to stop. Bro!
You can't do that.
All right.
They're too
Okay,
Don't
I'll do
mix
that
them.
for you.
Leave it.
Just
Leave
pick
it.
one.
Just move your fingers around in there.
Okay,
Don't
look.
lift it up.
I'm gonna pick the last one, like right here in my hand. This thing, okay?
That one.
Anthony Abajan.
Let's see.
3934. Anthony Abajan.
That's what just went up.
Anthony, he just want a Z, bro.
I'm shaking,
Take a
bro.
picture
I'm
right here.
focused.
Hold it and take. Hold on. Oh, I can't
This
get it
guy
live.
won the Z, bro. Dude, it was as fair as possible. I tried to be as fair as possible. That is crazy. Let's look
Who
up
is
where-
it? I don't think he's on here.
He ordered 2 stickers. Wait. I think his address is on here. Hold on.
His phone number. You
Can
can
you
call
show
him.
right here if you want?
Call him.
Oh yeah, David, let me use your phone. I'm gonna call him from your phone. Anthony,
Yo, what's up?
are you on my live?
My friend just called me.
Why are you shaking, Nick?
Bro, I'm nervous, dude. Bro, you won the car. You won the Z, bro.
What the hell?
That's crazy. So from Glendale, right?
Yeah,
So not that far. That's crazy.
that's sick.
Well, congrats, bro. I guess we'll figure out how we're gonna like, I don't know, come pick it up whenever you're free, but
Appreciate it.
I can't believe that. Yeah, I'll text you and everything though. Now that I have your number and all that stuff.
Alright, cool.
Congrats, bro. That's crazy. Thank you, bro. Thank you for buying something and supporting me and all that stuff.
Yeah, I've been watching for a while, so
Oh, that's fire. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that.
thank you.
I'll text you right now.
How much is David's fit?
He's from Glendale, LA, so he's not that far. Probably like an hour drive. I'm sorry to whoever didn't win, guys. I feel bad, but we're gonna do more giveaways in the future. This shit went good. This is my first ever giveaway.
Wait.
But I know we're gonna do more.
We gotta do this right
We're
now,
gonna, we're gonna
too.
give away some merch, guys, so don't worry.
Oh.
He really got a call from you guys. That's crazy. He probably didn't sound too excited on camera. People were saying that in live, but he's probably shocked. Just as much as I'm shocked giving the car away, I'm sure he's just as shocked, like getting a phone call from me saying you won the car. And like he said he wasn't even alive. He was, I think it sounded like he was driving or something. And he said his friend called him and was like, bro, you won. That's insane. Well, anyways, the car's going to Glendale, so not too far. We'll probably end up seeing it in LA, drive around. That's crazy. Glendale is not that far. It's probably like an hour drive for
I
me.
see that car meets or something.
Dude, honestly, we might see it at car meets. So he'll probably he'll get to come down here, make a vlog with us, pick up his Z. Huh?
People on the comments were saying that the guy wasn't even excited. That
I
he
know.
deserved it.
Nah, he was probably just nervous. Like, imagine like
He was probably in shock.
in shock, dude. Like, you just get a phone call.
Yeah.
He said he wasn't even in the live. That his friend called him and was like, "Yo, you won."
Yeah, and I heard him say that. Like, my friend called me to tell me,
He spent $100. He spent 2 stickers,
wow.
so he just bought a whole Z for $100.
That is
I know,
crazy.
what a trip.
And I feel like that's what we were trying to explain to people when they were commenting like, oh, for a sticker, wow. But you see?
Yeah. All right, bye, mom. And again, hello. You're excited or what?
Yeah. I couldn't process it because I'm driving from Arizona.
Oh, okay.
It's like,
What are you doing tomorrow?
tomorrow, I got work tomorrow, but if you want, I can come. So.
Yeah, if you want to do it tomorrow, I'm down. It is now the next day. Today is actually the day he's gonna come pick up the car. I'm super excited. I'm sure he's super excited too. Yeah, I cannot believe that this car is leaving today, guys. It's finally hitting me that today, this 350Z is gonna be out of the garage and gone, dude. I'm kind of sad now. Like now I wish I could have got to drive it more. Like right now is gonna be the last drive and we're just driving it down the block to wash it at David's house with the van, the detail van. Everybody go wash it real quick, make it all clean for him. Put some tire shine.
Carro in the channel.
And then a new car is gonna come to the
Guys,
channel,
what do you guys
guys.
think is coming? What do you guys think is coming?
So it is sad that this is leaving, but
We got hints. F80, Z06,
SVJ,
SVJ,
Koenigsegg.
uh,
Last time driving it, guys. Oh, I'm sad, bro. The Z was fun though. It was a fun little project. We got to do a bunch of stuff to it. Shout out to all the sponsors that helped sponsor the car and build it to where it's at right now. To NRG for the steering wheel. If you guys need any steering wheels, hit up NRG. They also make racing seats, which I'm keeping because I'm probably gonna put them in the next project car. Huge shout out to Conseil Wheels. They sponsored this car. They sponsored my E46. They sponsor all my cars with wheels, so shout out to them. Shout out to ISR Performance for the exhaust. And lastly, 5A Industries for the coilovers, which the new owner is probably gonna slam it. I wanted to slam it, but I just never had the time. So the new owner will be able to change the coilovers to whatever height he wants.
That does sound better. Way better.
Sounds way better, huh?
Way better. Sounds good.
I'm sad, dude. It is a sick car. Like, I wish I would have drove it more. Why didn't I drive it?
It is sick.
Look at that, guys. Look how clean the Z came out. Oh my god, dude. Now I'm regretting selling it. Getting rid of it. It's super freaking clean, inside and out. But wow, bro, this thing looks good when it's clean. I can't believe the Z is gone today. She looks so nice. Spotless, bro. I'm telling you, a lot of Z's on off-road and stuff are all clapped down. This shit's actually in super nice condition. Looks sick. The new owner's gonna be here in about 30 minutes and we're gonna reveal to him his 350Z, get his reaction again, maybe go for a little ride along or something, and then he's gonna take the Z home. That's crazy. Last day the Z will ever be in this garage, guys. But again, like I said, it's sad, but also I'm excited for the new owner to get it and see his reaction, and I'm also excited to see what other car we bring to the channel soon. No way they pulled him in the F80. Who wanted him?
Yeah.
Oh, you're his homie or what?
Yeah. What's going on?
Bro, that's
George.
crazy.
Nice to meet you.
F80? What's up, bro? And you got the merch on. That's the OG merch, too. This is yours?
Yeah, that's fine.
Must be nice. My boys have F80 and a 350Z. That's crazy. How do you want a Z? Bro, isn't that crazy?
I think I've seen her before. Didn't we see you like at a OC, right? Yeah.
It's crazy, huh? What are you gonna do with it? You gonna keep it?
Yeah, I'm gonna maybe turbo it.
That'd be sick. I always wanted to do that too, like turbo it, like kicks his car, but
Yeah.
I never did it. But what do you think? You like it? Damn, so you've been watching the vlogs for a while, Paul, yeah?
Yeah. Actually, one of the first videos I watched was when you were taking off the wrap for the Tiffany Blue.
Oh, the United 2? That's a long time ago. I know, I see the merch, so that's the OG merch. It's all he bought, guys, and he won a freaking Z. They're just stickers. I'm gonna keep the car. I'm just kidding. Imagine. Nah, that's insane, bro. I know it's probably crazy to you, because even me, like, when I was trying to reveal the winner, I was like, bro, I was like shaking and shit. I was nervous. Because it's like, I've never done this before either, so I'm sure for you, you're probably like, what the heck?
Yeah, he actually called me. I was on the way back from Arizona. I was watching the basketball game. And like,
They might have not even had service.
No way.
Yeah, so like he was like right between the mountains, so he might have not even picked up. I
Yeah,
called
so-
him, I'm like, bro, I think you won a car.
I think you want the Z, bro. Look at everything. It's super nice, bro.
$100, it's crazy.
Bro, $100? You can't beat it, bro.
it looks more pink in person, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah.
The wrap, yeah. If you put it in the sun, it'll look more red too. But yeah, it's more pink, you can tell.
Yeah.
Kind of sad. I should have drove it more often.
Just hit me up whenever.
I know. I mean, it's cool. He's gonna be in LA, so we might be able to see the car driving around. That'd be sick. Everyone was like, "Bro, he doesn't seem excited." Nah, I think he's more in shock, guys. Like, think about it. He just want a Z for $100. Boy, really want to eat? I was gonna say E36. My boy wanted 350Z. Bro, how crazy is it that you won this car, dude? Isn't that crazy? I know. That's what I'm saying. Even I'm shocked because, like, bro, people probably feel like, nah, I'm never gonna win. You know, like,
Yeah.
those giveaway things. Even me, bro, I never enter those giveaway stuff, but.
Shit, I almost stole it. Holy shit.
Nah, you'll get used to it.
It's just so like the engaging.
Yeah,
It's like
you
so
sounds
cool.
weird. Yeah, but you'll get used to it once you start driving it. At least we'll get to see it soon, maybe
Yeah.
like in LA and stuff like that.
I usually come to the car meet, so.
Uh-huh.
See it.
So we'll probably see the Z.
Yeah.
It's not bad though, huh? Yeah, I can't believe that, guy. That's crazy. I can't believe today's the last day. This is my Z, bro. It's not my car no more. You excited? Damn, my boy got an F82. That's crazy. For $100.
That's crazy.
I'm shocked, so I can't imagine him, bro. He's probably more shocked than I am.
Waiting in the car for $100 is
Imagine. Look, guys, he's even filling out the pink slip, bro. There's no going back now. It's his Z, bro. It's not mine no more.
I think that was the GTR's pink slip.
Imagine you signed the wrong one. Bro, we should make sure it's the right Nissan, huh? I should have double checked the VIN. My boy just signed the pink slip to the GTR. The other Nissan. All right, guys. Well, there we go. That's it. The car is gone.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My boy really want a Z for $100. Drive safe. My boy really got the merch too. That's fire. I miss that hoodie, bro. I don't even have my own hoodie like that.
I have every hoodie.
I know you have everything on.
I can put it for sale.
You're sponsored?
I'm sponsored.
Sponsored by FindingNick. But yeah, that's the OG merch, bro. That's like, I think I dropped that like 2 years ago. No way, this was all of them. That's my first merch drop.
And I got this one.
That's the first ever merch drop, bro. There he goes, guys. Without you, I'm gonna cry, bro.
Yeah, go on, brother.
It's gone, guys.
And they got an F80.
And he has an F80. Later, bro. That's crazy. Must be nice, huh? Why can't I get the F80? F80 sounds sick.
That's you next. That's why I'm happy.
Hey, that's a sign.
Fuck that Z, brother.
But maybe that's a sign, guys. Look, the guy who won the Z has an F80, bro. I already know. I could hear the comments saying, he already has an F80. Why doesn't he need a Z? But, guys, it was like a gamble, you know? Like, anyone could have won. And that's my audience, you know? I have a huge BMW audience, so I'm not surprised that he has a BMW, too. Other people, let's see who else wins. Wins Hugo's car. Let's see. Who wins Hugo's car? What's his name? Chattel?
That. You won the United 2, brother.
You won the United 2, brother. Come pick it up. Anyway, I'm hyped for him. He's excited. He's in shock. He doesn't have that much like excitement.
No, his homie was telling me that he's like that. That he doesn't show expression. Like everywhere they're at, that he doesn't show expression. But he was like, bro, that he was telling him that he was excited. He was like, but he's just like a shy guy like that. That's
yeah, he's probably shy. That's what it is.
That's what he said.
So that's crazy. I cannot believe that.
It is a sign to get an F80, and then we'll have 2 F80s.
That'd be
David's
hard.
and yours.
I'm trying to convince Hugo to sell this and get an F80 too. So then David, me, and Hugo have F80s. Imagine 3 F80s right in the driveway.
So that means we need a raffle at United 2, huh?
Yes, bro, raffle it. Hugo, I'm telling you, once I get an F80 and then David has it, you're gonna be like, damn, I need one.
100 each ticket.
You guys can get it. We'll do it, guys. 300 tickets, just like we did my Z, but they're gonna be $100 each instead of 50. It is a nice E92. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Smash the like button. Comment congrats to the guy. I feel bad, believe me. I wish I could have gave 300 cars away, but he was the lucky winner. Stay tuned for the next video. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams.